What is GlobalReader? We provide smart online manufacturing tools for small and medium-sized enterprises. Using real-time data and team collaboration tools, you can reduce downtime 30% in the first 3 months and save time and money. Smart factory management. We will help you solve your daily, time-consuming, routine activities. Your team in manufacturing can benefit from our machine monitoring. The power of real-time data is brought to planning and maintenance. Machine maintenance. Manage the daily tasks of your maintenance team and never again rely on your memory or paper to do maintenance on your machines. Scheduling and work time from machine monitoring gives you the right time to do maintenance. Machine maintenance benefits means reducing unexpected machine downtime. GlobalReader, a real-time factory tracker.